I came all the way from the island to the mainland to buy skincare products. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sue here and I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle and content that I like here. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something very ridiculous. Yes, I came all the way from the island to the mainland to buy skincare products. Yes, please do not judge me. But I'm taking you guys to a place called Trade Fair Market. It's a market here on the mainland and it's like the storehouse for skincare products. Most supermarkets come here to buy their skincare products and sell for you on the island. So I am going to be going there to shop. I'll carry you guys along our journey and show you the products that I get. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you on my way. Bye guys.
Only this next when you use this Javi, he work go, he no work go, now you go come back. And whatever is serious also, all you have to for that try to maybe they use for his sticks there.
The shops are even numbered. Where's the... Are you not taking this oil being gone?
Do you know much about toner? I know I don't go, I just go buy these days.
I understand. It's raining, oh, it's raining, oh, it's raining, oh, it's raining. Oh, we are done for today. Hi guys, welcome back. Today is the day after the shopping. Yes, I want to unbox the stuffs that I got. I could not show you people I could not vlog while coming back. I was really tired, like very tired, and when I came back I just slept. So we're going to unbox and I'll tell you guys the prices of the stuff that I got, or I'll leave the prices on the screen, anyone. So yes, I got some perfumes, I got some skincare products too. I got this toner. It's the Clean and Clear Blackhead Clearing Cleanser, and I got this one for 1,700 naira. Can you imagine? 1,700 naira. This is Malibu sunscreen. So I got this for 3,500 naira. I've not tried it before, so I cannot give my review. If you want a review, just leave it in the comments and I will tell you how I feel about it after I've tried it. So yes. Then guys, this is one of the cutest things I got. This is a stick roll-on. So this is it. I got it for 800 naira. It does not have aluminium, and it is it aluminium? Yes, it does not have aluminium, does not have alcohol, and it's cute. I just want to try it out. So I got all of this from different stores. Not all stores have what I wanted at the point, so I'll just, from the videos you see that I went to different stores. I got this Vaseline Cocoa Glow with pure cocoa and shea butter. I love shea butter. I use shea butter a lot for my hair, so, and I use it for my skin too most times, so I want to try it out. I got this for 1,200 naira. Yes, 1,200 naira. I will try as much as possible and to see if I can leave the supermarket prices on the screen so you guys can compare and see why I did what I did, or if what I did made sense. This is the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. I got this one for 2,000 naira. This is the Vita B3 sauce. I've not tried this before. I wanted to get a vitamin C serum, but the woman recommended this, that it brightens dull skin and clears dark spots, and I want to clear out dark spots on my face. Then I got wipes. I got baby wipes. I got this for 900 naira. Then the things I got more than skincare, perfume. I got this one. I think this was 3,500. This one, the first time I was the one that introduced this perfume to my brother. The first time I bought it for 8,000 naira. I bought this for 4,500. Can you imagine? 4,500. I got two. I got a body spray. I liked the scent, so I got it. I got this for, oh my god, what? I remember. I got this for 1,000 naira. This one I got for 1,000 naira. This is the Mason Maru collection. It's a mini perfume, a mini bottle, very cute. This is what it looks like. I got this one for 1,000 naira, and you get this in supermarket for 2,500. I've gotten it before, so I can tell you that. Then I got this pocket roll-on. I like to have pocket perfumes in my bag, so I got this for 500 naira each. So one of this is 500, one of this is 500. That's 1,000 naira for the two of them. Cover it out. I got this body mist. I got it for 700 naira. It's a mini body mist. I just like the way it's cute and it smells nice too. So 700 now. So in all of that, I'm going to leave the total amount I spent for all of this on the screen, just so you guys can see. Right now, from the top of my head, I don't think I know the total of all of this now. So yes. So guys, now that we are done unboxing the stuffs I got from the market, let's chat. This ridiculous thing that I did, will I try it again? No way. It's stressful. Like, you have to take your transportation into consideration. Transport from here to the mainland, then from where I stayed at my friend's place, then from my friend's place to the market, then back to my friend's place, then back to the mainland. It's quite a lot if you consider it in getting the skincare product. But what I did was I got some of their cards, and I can just from here place orders of the things that I want and have them delivered to me in no time. I'll still get the product at affordable prices. Besides, if I get all of this and I want to pay delivery, I don't think I'll pay more than 3,000 naira for delivery. It won't still be compared to the price that I will spend here buying the product. I'm not saying that you should come and go to the mainland now because you want to buy products. I'm just giving you an alternative if you would like to. This is where you can get skincare products at affordable prices. They basically sell almost everything there in wholesale prices. Like some stores we went to, we could not buy them in single. Like we could not get one of each. You're either buying 3 and above, or 6 and above, or 12. So they sell in wholesale prices. So if you want to go there, you have to have that in mind. And the market is very big, like big, very very big. We stopped at Abia bus stop. It has Abia, it has Balogun, it has Enugu, it has Rivers, it has Mandalas, it has GL. They have different names for different sections. But I know Abia is where you get skincare products, beauty products, hair products. From the videos, I'm sure you saw hair products in bulk. So you can go there and get your hair stuffs in bulk. If you're a hairstylist, if you want to be a skincare vendor, you can go there and get skincare products in bulk. Most of the vendors there get their stuff directly from the producers abroad. So if you want to give it a try, no problem. Well, I won't be trying this again. I tried this for the video, so that's it. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do want to leave me a comment. Ask me any questions you want to ask in the description, in the comment section. Why do I keep saying description? In the comment section. Please like, subscribe if you've not subscribed, share to your friends to subscribe too. And that's it for this video, the ridiculous skincare shopping that I did. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.